Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. So, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Gadget and I'm now in 8th grade of bilingual Jendral High School. So, today, I want to tell a story about someone that has a problem with social media. So, the social media bring him to the hard situation. A technology bring him to the situation that he can't accept it. Want to hear the story? So, happy listening. Louis is a new member of the Special Force Unit. Which country and which unit is classified, so we didn't know. One day, Louis just passed the grilling training course, and this is his first day on the job. His commanding officer, a one-star general, called him to the conference room. On the conference room, the general gives a speech to them. The first part is the usual part. The general said, "I'm proud of you with best. Welcome to the team. I have high standard, but I expect everyone to be capable in this room." The general said, "Everyone listen and speak. Everyone is wrapped with attention." The general continues speech. "And now for the important part. As General Suleiman said, know your enemy, know yourself, and you will prevail. Now, everyone here is certified as Special Force Unit, and I will brief you on your true enemy." Then, the general said again, "This is enemy that's invisible, omniscient, unbeatable, at best. We may scrap our throat. And now, I want everyone here to take this to heart. The only way to win this fight is to avoid fighting it. And now, I want every one of you pray for yourself that this thing does not notice you." A ripple of shock and fear goes through the room. The general speaks with such conviction. He believed that his enemy is invisible. That rather surprising, because we're trying to anticipate what kind of country is that. The general continues work. "Our enemy is social media." Wait, Louis is thinking, why is social media dangerous? What's happening here? Is the general crazy? "I'm serious. This is enemy that we can shoot to death. The enemy we can beat." After that, the general starts showing a slideshow that's showing a fellow soldier in a compromising position, beginning to be lecturing in a good PR, behaving well, not doing anything, even when off duty. That image could compromise the image of the corps. The general wants to remind us that the walls not just have eyes, they have ears. It's microphone and cameras. The general wants to remind us again that one's villain with smartphone can screw up everything. So, the military place where Louis is working is very strict. No one have a phone there, except Louis. Louis have a secret that can screw everything up. Until one day, he met an offense. He plays his phone where the general not see him. But at the same time, the general is walking and see Louis playing his cell phone. "Hey, come here!" "Yes, sir!" "Give your phone to me." "No, sir, I don't have a phone." "Don't lie to me, soldier. Give your phone to me right now." "But, sir, I didn't do anything." "You have 5 seconds to give your phone to me. If not, I'm gonna cut your head. 1. The general starts counting. Louis is terrified. He panicked. The general has threatened him. He didn't know what he gonna do. He feels so terrified. He kept thinking, "Oh God, if I don't give my phone to him, he will kill me. What should I do? What should I do?" Louis, be more terrifying. where the general continues word. 2, 3. So suddenly Louis threw his phone to the ground. And then his phone is broken. But suddenly the general touched his soldier and say, "Congratulations, soldier. And now you are now a lieutenant." Wait, did the general just say a lieutenant? What's happening here? I didn't get it. I just raised my phone and the general wanted me to be a lieutenant. Do everyone here get it? So the general tell Louis that this military place has secret. The secret is that all of the soldiers in here actually have a phone, but no one want to play it except Louis. Why? Because Louis just want to tell his Twitter. He know that have a Twitter in his military place is broke the rules, so he want to delete it. But his general is, yeah, you know about that. So the moral of the story is, you need to be honest to everyone here. Don't care who it is. So that's my story today. I'm sorry if there is a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.